Hello. In this video, I will talk about how to open a new file or a previously saved file into the Microsoft Word and how to work with it. Here, to open a new file, first you have to click this file and new. And you can see that there are many templates here. First, I select a blank document. This is a blank document. You can edit to a document here. And if you are going to open a new file, and if there are any template which is similar to the thing which you want, you can select it. As an example, you think you are going to create a resume and you like this one, you can create that file. And if you are with the internet connection, it's downloading and you can edit this resume as your document. And if you need any new thing which you cannot see in these templates, you can find it. Let's think it as a flyer. These are flyer examples and you can select one of it and you can open it and you can edit that flyer as your document in Microsoft Word. With the same procedure, you can open any file in template here and you can edit to a document, and finally you can get the final result which you want. And if you want to open a previously saved document here, you have to go to the file and open. You can see that this is a previously saved resume. Like that, you can open any previously opened file here. It's a blank one. Like that, you can open files in Microsoft Word.